Giving your dog meds every day? Watch as I turn this smart pet feeder into a medication dispenser with mini marshmallows. I hide the pills in irresistible mini marshmallows, but you could also get creative here. Cut a small hole, tuck in the pill, squish it closed, and load it plus a few extras into the first section of the feeder. This ensures it dispenses properly during a 2-portion feed. This has been a game changer for us. My dog needs medication 1 hour before he wakes up, and now I get to sleep in. Because I can schedule the med delivery remotely, it keeps our dog's medication schedule without being tied to the house as well. The iPettie Smart Feeder fits almost any pet cage. I'm using it with a standard dog crate. It comes with 2 chutes for different bar widths and can handle a variety of food shapes and sizes. It holds a large volume, up to 1.8 liters. The canister lifts off for easy cleaning, and the rotary feeder pops out to wash. The top has a sealed bag to keep food clean and dry. It has a recessed port, and you get both a plug and adapter, plus a battery backup option, so your pet never misses a feeding. It also includes a sturdy bowl with stainless steel trim, though I don't personally use it. The feeder uses a no-screw design for fast, secure assembly. I never have to worry about my dog messing with it. Setup is simple and user-friendly through the app. Just enter your Wi-Fi, follow the prompts, and you're ready to go. I love how the app lets you manually feed, fully customize feeding times, portion sizes, and shows daily totals and history. The iPettie Smart Wi-Fi Hanging Feeder is a 5 out of 5 stars for me. Reliable, easy to use, and genuinely useful, especially for medication. As always, if anything changes or stops working, I'll come back and update the review.